this fine day.
Better now? How are you?
That is absolutely marvelous to hear. You are drinking the spoils of our neighbors next door.
Yes.
I can tell that it has already affected your mental state in a negative fashion.
Indeed.
I will put that in the notes moving forward. Now, we have sort of a give and take thing here. I'm going to open the door and you're going to enter. Can you handle that?
Indeed.
My confidence is lower than it was at the beginning of this conversation, but we will try it anyway.
That's fair. I did it. Ooh. Oh, goody, you're here! We've been waiting for you for a long time! Oh,
Yes, new flesh, new subjects for new creations. Master will be very, very pleased to do watch your heads, as he will try and take them.
Oh no. Ooh.
Do you want a taste? Come on, I know you do. Take a bite.
Oh no.
Take a bite. Does it taste good?
Ooh.
Good, it's your dad's ashes. You want a bite? Good, it's your dad's ashes.
Time is up. Time to pay your taxes.
Oh.
If you don't pay them, call the IRS.
Not the IRS.
We like having custard, you know.
Yeah?
Yes.
Ooh.
It's a library!
Ooh.
Quiet down.
It's me, so many more. I can take creations here and there. Oh my goodness.
Oh wow. That's very fair.
You knew it.
I can smell it. I don't know why.
I don't want to stink back here. Step forward, don't be shy. Come and bear witness to pure genius. Were you not impressed with our previous work?
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you. We put a lot of effort into it.
Ooh.
This is somebody who needs your brain and flesh. Brain and flesh. You need to feed them.